Freelancing tips and tricks for success. Unlocking your potential. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. Freelancing refers to a work arrangement where individuals offer their services to clients or businesses on a project basis, typically on a self-employed basis. Freelancers are independent professionals who work remotely and have the flexibility to choose their clients, projects, and working hours. Unlike traditional employment, freelancers are not bound by long-term contracts or commitments to a single employer. Instead, they work on a contractual basis and are often hired for specific assignments or projects. Freelancers can offer a wide range of services, such as writing, graphic design, web development, photography, marketing, consulting, and much more. The primary benefits of freelancing include flexibility, independence, and the ability to work from anywhere. Freelancers have the freedom to set their own rates, choose the projects they want to work on, and manage their own schedules. They can work with multiple clients simultaneously or focus on a specific niche, depending on their preferences and expertise. Freelancers are responsible for finding their own clients, negotiating contracts, delivering high-quality work, and managing their finances and taxes. They often use online platforms, personal websites, social media, and professional networks to showcase their skills and attract clients. One of the key aspects of freelancing is that freelancers are not employees but rather independent contractors. They are typically paid per project or on an hourly basis, and their income can vary depending on the demand for their services, their experience, and the rates they set. Overall, freelancing offers individuals the opportunity to pursue their passions, work on diverse projects, and have more control over their professional lives. However, it also requires self-discipline, effective time management, and the ability to adapt to different client requirements and work environments. Freelancing offers a world of opportunities and freedom, allowing individuals to work on their terms and pursue their passions. However, freelancing comes with its own set of challenges. In this article, we will share valuable tips and tricks to help you succeed as a freelancer and make the most of your freelance career. 1. Define your niche. Identify your skills, interests, and expertise to define your freelance niche. Focusing on a specific area allows you to stand out, target the right clients, and position yourself as an expert in your field. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Create an impressive portfolio that showcases your best work. Include diverse samples that highlight your range of skills and demonstrate your ability to deliver high-quality results to potential clients. 3. Set clear goals and plan. Define your short-term and long-term goals as a freelancer. Create a business plan outlining your objectives, target clients, marketing strategies, and financial goals. Having a clear roadmap helps you stay focused and motivated. 4. Perfect your communication skills. Communication is key in freelancing. Be prompt, professional, and clear in your communication with clients. Active listening, understanding their needs, and maintaining transparent and regular communication are vital for success. 5. Market yourself. Invest time in marketing yourself as a freelancer. Build a professional website, create a strong social media presence, and leverage online platforms and networks to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. 6. Price your services right. Determine your pricing strategy based on your experience, skills, and the value you provide. Research market rates, analyze competitors, and ensure that your pricing aligns with industry standards while also considering your desired income. 7. Cultivate strong client relationships. Nurture strong relationships with your clients by delivering exceptional work, providing excellent customer service, and going the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Happy clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. 8. Continuously learn and upgrade. Invest in your professional development by staying updated with industry trends, acquiring new skills, and expanding your knowledge. Attend webinars, workshops, and online courses to enhance your expertise and stay competitive. 9. Manage your time effectively. Develop a disciplined approach to time management. Set priorities, create schedules, and establish boundaries to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Use productivity tools to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. 10. Embrace continuous improvement. Be open to feedback and continuously strive to improve your skills and services. Learn from both successes and failures, adapt to market changes, and be willing to evolve as a freelancer. Freelancing offers immense opportunities for those seeking autonomy and flexibility in their careers. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can enhance your chances of success as a freelancer. Remember, freelancing requires perseverance, adaptability, and continuous learning. Embrace the journey, refine your skills, and enjoy the rewards of a fulfilling and prosperous freelance career. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.